Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to translate text in Microsoft Word. So here I already have an English text on Microsoft Word, and I want to translate this text without having to leave the Microsoft Word. So what you guys need to do is block the part of text that you want to translate, and then right click on the text, and here there is a translate option. Click on that, and then here turn on, and after that there will be left a panel here. The right panel there will be show up like this. So this is the translator panel. Here you can choose the language to translate from English, for example, to Bahasa Indonesia, which is my own language. I'm going to find it in here, Indonesians. Okay, so here just click on insert, and after that the translated text will be added and will be replace the original one like this. Okay, so that's pretty easy, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next